Hello everyone, this is Bruno, I'm with OnSign, and we're here today at InfoComm 2026 at the Qbic booth, right? OnSign is a content management system. We are partners with Qbic, the hardware manufacturer, and we're here today to talk a little bit more about our partnership. We have been partners with Qbic for many years right now, and historically we have been using our SPM to remotely manage the hardware, right? But this year we're going to be launching a direct integration with Qbic SDK, which is going to give us more capabilities, advanced capabilities to control their hardware, right? Today, in this screen right here, we have a Qbic BXP 350, right? It's an incredible hardware. It has multiple HDMI ports, right? So you can have multiple screens connected to it. It's an incredible device, very reliable. We have an incredible history with them, multiple thousands of players already running OnSign out on the field and working pretty well, right? So make sure to stop by the Qbic booth and the OnSign booth. We're both here at InfoComm 2026. It's going to be great to talk to you. If you want to know more about OnSign, go to our website, onsign.tv or .com, and stay tuned.